My name is Arnaud Faure Beaulieu, and I am the gallerist of Violaine Vieillefond. For our first exhibition in Venice, Violaine Vieillefond wanted to set up an installation in Palazzo Albrizzi Capello, in one of the main rooms of the palace, la Sala della Musica. Fascinated by painting and fluid mechanics, most of all water, Violaine Vieillefond shows a particular talent to make a universe resonate with strong identity spaces, like la Sala della Musica del Palazzo Albrizzi-Capello. In this magnificent and very classical place, Violaine Vieillefond displays her screen to create an itinerary within the room, like a little bit the gondolier scrolling through canals in a universe where water and heritage merge. Letting their mind wander, the visitors finally come face to face with a wall of mirrors reflecting all the different elements of the room, like the colors, old elements, contemporary elements, shapes, creating a new unity, taking in consideration all the different things of this room. So I hope visitors will come and enjoy this experience inside Palazzo Albrizzi Capello with this exhibition until the 8th of July.